Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So we're going to do a $2 coin roll hunt, and to save a little bit of time in this video, I'm going to open up a fair few rolls, just so that we can go through them a bit faster. Alright guys, there we go. I've opened up 4 rolls and just laid them straight down as they came out of the roll, so I haven't seen what they are yet, so we'll just grab a handful and we'll slowly move our way through them and see if we can come up with anything good. Well, that wasn't a great handful, but anyway, let's go through it and hope that we find some coloured coins and hopefully some low mintage 2011s would be nice, and maybe an error coin or two. So I know a heap of you that when you start collecting, probably the first coins you jump into and what probably sparks your interest in coin collecting is certainly finding those coloured coins, and which is absolutely great. But not all coloured coins are going to be highly valued. So you sort of got to make decisions in some ways as to what you keep and what you don't keep. So this is a 2019, so I'm assuming it's going to be some coloured coin. Yes, it is. So we've got a wallaby one. Yep, the wallabies. So that's our first keeper of this hunt. We'll pop it up the back there. I think the mintage was announced somewhere around the 2 million. So yeah, so what I was saying was not all $2 coins are going to be worth keeping, and at some stage if you can't afford to keep them all, you have to decide how many you're going to be able to keep, because holding a lot of $2 coins can really add up really quickly. So yeah, it's best to decide, do some research, and have a look at mintage numbers, and you can do that mostly through the Royal Australian Mint website, or if you have the Renix book. So I didn't want to interrupt myself, but here is another coloured $2 coin, and this one is from the Commonwealth Games. I forget what the mintage is on all of these ones, but we'll pop that one aside. That's quite a nice condition. You can see a poppy down the back there as well, not a red poppy but a gold poppy. Those ones are there. If you don't have one, keep it for now. It's not a low mintage coin. It's in the 5 million, so it's not high, but it's certainly not one that's going to go up in value. So it might be one that you keep 1 or 2, but you don't keep 20 of. So depending on, yeah, all depends on your financial situation. I know for myself I probably keep far too many. Dropped one. 2001s, and around that sort of time, a lot of them had these slightly off-center, but it's very common and it doesn't add any value to the coin. It's just far too common an error. Another one that's sort of off-center as well. It's a 97. There's just lots of them in the $2 coins, and they're just not worth holding on to. Alright, we're starting to get our way through that lot. Pick up as many as we can. So occasionally you'll find rim cuds on $2 coins. So always check out for rim cuds around the edges, little bits of metal sticking up higher than the rest of the rim. It's really a breakdown of the die. What's this one, a 2018? I'm just going to push all these ones up because I can't see any more colours. And none of them look like they're going to be 2011s based on what I can see there. So we'll push those guys aside, and I'm going to open up. I've got another 4 more rolls we'll do. Alright guys, another 4 rolls opened, and I can see a little bit of colour there, so we might as well grab him out straight away. And it's a nice one as well. Not really a terribly low mintage coin. I think this one was in the 4 millions from memory. So this is the Lest We Forget coin from 2017. It's certainly one of my favourite coloured coins. I think it's a great design, and yeah, really well designed and very intricate. So yeah, lovely coin. So it's another one to put to the collection, and we'll grab a handful. Okay, I've got another coloured coin here. So another Possum Magic. So that's a nice little find there. Not sure what's going on with this one. I might just zoom in a little bit closer to see if there's, maybe that's part of the normal detail. Just looks a little bit bubbly or something, but anyway, maybe that's the normal detail. I've never really studied these ones, to be honest. Alright, we've got another coloured coin, so we're doing alright. 4. This is probably one of my better hunts in a long while. Year 2000 is probably considered a lower mintage, around the 5 million from memory. No, there's a 2013, but no coronation on that one. Oh, these are a low mintage one. So these are I think 1.4 million. I think these are probably, oh, it's either third or maybe third or fourth lowest as far as mintage goes, if I'm correct. I think it's somewhere in there. It might be, yeah, I have to look it up again. I'm pretty sure these were a very low mintage. So yeah, third or fourth. So 2018 and the 100 years of armistice. So, oh, I was, when I was putting these coins out of their rolls, I was thinking, well, we're not going to come across many coloured, and with only that one coloured coin sitting upright, I'm quite surprised. Oh, here's a 2011. So this is the lowest minted Aboriginal Elder, so 1.8 million. I keep each and every one of those as well. So yeah, very good hunt so far. And we've still got a fair few coins to get through. Grab a good handful. So I like finding the 2011 $2 coins just as much as I like finding the 2011 10-cent coins. It gives me the same sort of rush when I see one. The funny thing is when I turn over a 2011 dollar coin, and even sometimes a 2011 5-cent coin, I sort of get a little bit excited and then realise, hold on, don't need to get excited about those ones. Okay, we're getting towards the end of this one. I think I'll pick them all up in my hand and we'll just go through them all at once. Alright, so that's all of them. Fairly nice 94. Another 2011. So it's number 2 for this hunt. So very happy with that. What's this one? Nothing. What's going on with this one? Not sure. I think it's just damaged a bit or been sitting in water or something like that. And we're almost at the end of this hunt. So I think that is it, guys. So let's just have a quick little look. I think I'm very happy with the two 2011s. And some good variety of colour has come through today. So yeah, very happy with that lot. So we'll just have a closer look at those. So yeah, good amount of colour and a couple of 2011s. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so. Plenty of videos always coming out, and I certainly like to try and point out which coins are keepers and which ones aren't, so and which ones have additional value that are hiding in your change. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.